This is my son Dinner, and he is the bane of my existence. He doesn't really clean up after himself, and the only thing he cleans up is himself. And the worst part is that I have 3 other cats and a dog, so that is my pain point. And the solution? Introducing the LG CordZero. This is the LG CordZero All-in-One Tower. And when I say all-in-one, I mean all-in-one. The first thing that easily catches your eye is the design. You wouldn't believe that even though it has a slim and sleek design, this thing has everything I need when I need it, saving me the hassle of digging through boxes or turning the house upside down looking for that one nozzle. We can't talk about vacuum cleaner without mentioning its suction power. And the LG CordZero sucks. Featuring a brushless smart inverter motor that spins at high speed to generate powerful suction up to 210 watts compared to some other brands that only have 150 watts of suction power. So cat furs, cat litter, food crumbs, dust, dirt and sand does not stand a chance. Now, convenience is the name of the game with this vacuum. The LG CordZero has all the controls in just one spot, so I can easily change the suction strength or turn it off with just a single thumb. With the number of attachments the LG CordZero has, it feels like a Swiss Army knife of vacuums. From the slim power drive nozzle for your everyday use, the crevice tool for those hard to get areas, the power drive mini that helps vacuum pet furs off furniture, to the combination tools that can alternate between a soft brush or a hard nozzle, and the power drive mop that lets you mop and vacuum at the same time. I've personally owned a few cordless and stick vacuums in the past, and I'm either limited by the cord's length or the amount of charge the battery holds. Can you imagine having the motivation to actually clean, but halfway through you're given a mandatory break because it needs to be charged? Luckily, the LG CordZero comes with 2 swappable and rechargeable battery packs that provides up to 120 minutes of continuous use. So whenever the first battery runs out, all I need to do is grab the second battery from the charger and place the first battery to charge, and off I go again. As a full-time parent to 4 cats and a dog, my vacuum is easily filled with an incredible amount of fur. With my old vacuum, I had to make several trips to clean and empty the fur in the container. But with LG CordZero's compressor feature, I really don't have to worry about that, as all I need to do is just push down on the button and it'll compact the fur. And instantly I get 2.4 times more capacity, allowing me to keep cleaning. Here's the best part, guys. I bet you guys love to clear out the container after you vacuum to bask at your hours of the day, just to be greeted by a cloud of dust and dirt. Unfortunately, I don't have the luxury of doing so because all I need to do is return the LG CordZero to its tower, and the auto empty function immediately empties all the dust and dirt into the tower and collects it in a bag for easy disposal. And I get a pat on the back because once it's empty, it plays a little tune to tell me that it's done emptying the vacuum, just like in a game. I can relax and never really worry about any germs as the 3-step filtration system captures fine dust and locks it away. And the added UVC LED stops any harmful bacterial growth. And if I'm feeling like an extra germaphobe one day, I can remove all this filter, wash them with regular water, and be on my way. The best part is that I can easily check up on the status of my device regardless of where I am because of the LG ThinQ app. With this, I can check if the batteries are fully charged and receive notifications. So, if you haven't caught up yet, yes, this is an ad to tell you about the LG CordZero All-in-One Tower. I'm not saying you have to buy it, but good luck sniffing dust and sitting around waiting for your cordless vacuum to charge. That's right!